it's Claire Saunders from What's New in Electronics, and I'm here at Southern Manufacturing and Electronics, and I've been joined by Faith from ART. How are you doing?
Hello, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good, thank you very much. Nice to see you.
And you?
It's nice to see a different face from ART.
My first time.
Well, I'll be gentle with you, but
Okay.
we've known each other for a long time, so
We have.
hopefully you feel all right.
Yeah.
I just really wanted to catch up, just see, firstly, how's the show gone for you?
It's been extremely busy. The last 2 days have been very busy. I feel that this year is a lot bigger and a lot busier than it has been the past few years, definitely.
Okay, great stuff. And are you seeing a different sort of visitor coming in? Is it a different sort of age group or different questions that are being asked?
A lot of the people that have come to see us have been specifically to talk about the training needs that they require. They know what they're talking about, they know what they need and what they require, and we've had some really good conversations.
Okay, great stuff. And you've obviously got a significant facility. I keep saying the new facility, but it's not new. You've been there for 7 years now.
We have.
But it's, it was a significant increase in size to be able to build and keep up with the sort of popularity of your courses. And I understand that you are really busy with your courses and you're seeing a massive increase. So people wanting more training, needing more requirements.
Yes, definitely. We have doubled in size at our facility. We now have 2 full practical training rooms and 2 theory rooms as well. So we can run 4 classes at the same time. We are seeing an increase in need for training, so it is definitely something that we needed to do to keep up.
All right, great stuff. And are there specific courses, are there specific guidelines or things that companies are looking for? Can you see any trends?
There's definitely an increase in people requiring and needing IPC certified training.
Okay.
We do provide ART practical training as well for somebody that doesn't need to be certified, which provides a certificate of attendance, but definitely an increase in IPC certified training, which has been included in procurements and contracts for manufacturers in which they require that service.
Okay, great stuff. And the people that you're seeing come into your facility, it's not just UK based, it's much wider scope now.
It is, definitely. We're seeing a lot of visitors from overseas, from places like Dubai, Saudi, all around the world.
Okay, great stuff. And with that, as well as part of your growth and your expertise, you've also got another facility in Italy.
We have, yes. We have we're partnered with a training centre in Italy, in Bergamo. At the moment, that is growing quite widely because he would provide CID and CID Plus training, which is the interconnect design training for PCBs, and that is growing quite significantly at the moment.
All right, great stuff. So you guys are definitely keeping busy.
We are very busy.
Busy show. You've also got the IPC hand soldering competition that you're very active with.
Yes, we have. And that has also increased this year to the wire and harness competition as well.
Okay.
So we are finding that the people that are interested in the hand soldering are taking a big interest in that competition this year as well.
All right, brilliant stuff. So no rest for you lot.
No, not at the moment.
But it's great to see, and it's encouraging to see that people are wanting to better themselves and improve their capabilities.
Definitely, yeah, there's definitely a lot of people out there at the moment that are wanting to do it for themselves as well as for their companies. Yeah, definitely.
And do you think, just, because obviously we're always looking at re-educating and getting other people into industry and expanding the workforce that we have, but also it's expanding the lifespan of the people in the industry.
Yeah.
These training requirements, these training things that they're taking on themselves, I'm guessing that gives them a lot stronger position to look for additional work to get promotions and stuff like that.
It does, because it is linked to the individual and not to the company, so that's an achievement for them.
Yeah.
And you do find that once they've completed one set of training, they're quite interested in other sets of training as well, to better their capabilities as well.
All right, brilliant, great stuff. Well, thank you very much. It's encouraging to know that there's a lot going on in the UK industry and that people are really staying involved, and hopefully it means that there's more work out there, and our business will get a lot stronger.
Yes, hope so.
Right, great stuff. Thank you very much, Faith.
Thank you.
Cheers.